Rescue 1 I'm seeing here. I don't know what the emergency is, but probably doesn't really look like any other units are coming. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I wonder if any other units are coming. I would think so, because if they had to arrive, they had to bring in the rescue. I would think that someone else would have to be coming. But then again, I don't know much about the Mount Vernon Fire Department. I know that in New York, the rescues respond to medical stuff, but I don't know if this one's responding to a med as well. I just thought of something. Some of the firefighters of Mount Vernon, like some of the chiefs, they described the rescue as a toolbox on wheels, which I actually like that, because it is a toolbox on wheels. It has a bunch of tools for rescuing people. Wow, this one is a lot different than New York. This one is a sidewalk rescue, I think. No, it's not a walk-in rescue like the one in New York is. But this is definitely a beautiful, beautiful truck. And yes, Rescue 1 from New York is still my favorite rig. But I gotta say, this one is just a beautiful truck. Oh, it's a wiring issue, I guess. This Con Ed truck here, or van. Yeah, Con Ed Emergency Services Unit. There's an unmarked unit there. So it doesn't seem like there's a fire. I think it's just a wiring issue. Yeah, I don't think there's any fire. I don't smell any fire. Rescue 1 is the only unit on scene. Engine 4 is, I think, back at its quarters already. So, yeah, they seem to be setting up an area over there. But I don't see any smoke. I don't smell any smoke. I mean, if there was a fire in one of these next houses, that would mean the fire could spread to my house, so I would hope that that's not the case. It is raining like crazy. So Rescue 1 is still here. So like, I don't know what's going on at this point. I would assume it's a wiring issue, and it's raining like crazy right now, so sorry if you can't really see anything. But yeah.